everybody, it's Deb from D&D Art Gallery. Today I have a little 10 by 10 staple back canvas, and I'm going to do just a simple puddle pour, and after I tip it I'm just going to see where that takes me, and this is just going to be an adventure. I'm not sure if I'll run some chains through it or a skewer through it or exactly what I'm going to do, but we'll see where this takes us. Let's go over my paints today. I do have a navy blue that I mixed up myself. I have Grumbacher red. I have a reddish orange that I mixed up myself. I have Artist Loft metallic leaf green. Artist Loft red ochre. That's a leftover paint. Just have a little bit of that left. Castle Art Supplies black. Again, I just have a little dab of that left. Artist Loft Floetrol white. And yellow, that is Artist Select yellow hue light, I believe it is. And the last one, Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue. So let's get started. Just going to do some puddles to use up some of this paint. Pouring medium, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. Some of it is thinned with my mixture of 90% water, 10% Floetrol. I did not add any silicone to these paints today. I did put down a very light layer of the Artist Loft Floetrol white just to help the paint move. I just did buy some, just some new chains, and I'm kind of eager to get started on trying those out. I watch an artist online quite a bit or on YouTube that uses chains. Her name is Priscilla Batzell. So if you ever get a chance to watch her station, I will put her name in her site where you can watch her in the description. I hope you're all staying warm. I know where we're at. I don't even know if we're going to hit 10 degrees today. Our winter just came in crazy. Crazy fast and early. No one was ready for it. We've even had a day off of school already. I'm sure the kids didn't mind that. I know we tell stories about when we were young, how deep the snow used to be. It doesn't seem to get that deep anymore. I don't know if it's because we were littler, but it seems like we used to get 2-3 feet of snow, and we would be out of school for, seemed like a week. Looks like something got mixed with this red, but that's okay. I'm going to be doing my first art class coming up this coming Monday. So I'll be mixing lots of paints for that. Looking forward to it. You know, when I was a kid, I would get so nervous if we had to give a presentation at school or something like that, but I think when it's something you enjoy doing, it's a whole different ball of wax. You enjoy getting up there and sharing what you know. Just a fun night of relaxing, and I hope it's relaxing. This is new to me. I have not taught an art class before, but I hope that the ladies and gentlemen, if I have any, try and relax and not worry about it too much. I guess at first you always want your finished product to look so nice, and but with this type painting, as you all know, you can scrape it if you absolutely hate it. I think I'm just about ready to tilt here. And as you can maybe hear, that's my dog getting into something she shouldn't be in. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. I had to take that away from her. Her toy was a little plastic bowl she decided she wanted to chew on. I think what I'll do too is just put a little bit of white in between here and there to help it flow. Okay, do a little tipping. Take a look at it here a minute. Okay, do a little more tipping. Just helping my sides out here a little bit. Which I can cover with white later on. Another little torch. Okay, I think I will try and run a little chain through this painting and see what happens here. Excuse me. Okay, I really like how this is turning out. Really cool. Okay, I'll just keep going here. Want to be careful not to get it too muddy, but it doesn't seem to be heading that way yet. Okay, I just really, really like that. Few areas I really like. Okay. Let's fix up my edge here a little bit. And I think I will get you down for a close-up. Well, one more. I'll do one more torch. I just really like the way this turned out. I'll be doing more of these. Puddle pour with a chain swipe. That's what I'll call this. Here's the upper left-hand corner. The lower left-hand corner. I'll just take you right up the middle here. I think that's pretty neat in there. And this is the upper right hand corner here. And the lower right hand corner. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up or like if you do like this video. Share, subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you hit the bell and choose all so you know the next time that I post a new video. And until next time, take care everybody. Bye.